Hi guys. How's it going? Welcome back to AppGeeker channel. Have you ever been in a situation like this? You wanted to unlock your iPhone 7, it prompted that it's locked by Touch ID. In general, you can go to the settings to toggle off this feature after entering your lock screen passcode. Unfortunately, you just forgot your password so that you locked your iPhone. Therefore, in today's video I will show you 3 methods to unlock iPhone 7 without passcode or Touch ID. The first method is so straightforward that it can unlock your iPhone 7 just in a few clicks. What you need to prepare is a computer and a USB cable. This method I will use a third-party tool named iPhone Unlocker from AppGeeker, which can help you unlock iPhone without passcode or Touch ID. Here we go. Step 1. Open the unlocker and connect your iPhone 7 to the computer via a USB cable. You can see 3 parts on the main screen. Select the top part Y passcode. In the next window, click the Start button. Then let us place the iPhone 7 into recovery mode by following the on-screen direction. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device. Keep holding the home button until you see the recovery mode screen. Step 2. Confirm your device information and click the Start button. Step 3. A firmware package will be downloading. Wait a few minutes. Okay, the firmware package has been downloaded. Click the unlock on screen. Here pops up a precaution, read it. 1. Removing the lock screen passcode will erase all your data. 2. Your device will be updated to the latest iOS version. 3. If Find My iPhone is enabled on the device, you need to enter iCloud password to reset the device after unlocking. Got it? Just enter 0000 to confirm unlocking. All done, let's move to the last step. Press the unlock button. Now it starts to reset the device. Wait for a while. Congratulations, you can get the access to your device. The second tip I'll show you is to restore your iPhone 7 by using iTunes. Just connect your iPhone 7 to the computer with a USB cable. What you have to do now is to get into recovery mode. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your device. Keep holding the home button until you see the recovery mode screen. Now the screen turns into recovery mode screen. Move to the computer. It recognizes your iPhone 7 and pops up a window asking you to update or restore. Since choosing update needs the passcode, you have to choose restore. The software is getting downloaded. Wait a while. Now you can unlock your iPhone 7. The last tip I'll show you is to use Apple's Find My iPhone feature. Open a browser and visit https://www.icloud.com/find. Log in with your Apple ID and password. Click on the device of yours that is currently disabled. Click Erase iPhone and then click Erase to confirm. Enter your Apple ID password to authenticate. Attention, once your device has been wiped, it will power up as any new iPhone would. Now you can unlock your iPhone 7. Thank you so much for watching. This is how to unlock iPhone 7 without passcode or Touch ID. If this video helps you out, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.